In this video, we will learn about what is SQL and types of SQL commands. What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is a standard language used to store, manipulate, and retrieve data in relational databases. It allows users to create tables, insert data, update records, and perform queries on databases. There are 5 different types of SQL commands. First, DDL. It stands for Data Definition Language. Second, DML. It stands for Data Manipulation Language. Third is DCL. It stands for Data Control Language. Fourth is TCL, means Transaction Control Language. And last one is DQL, which stands for Data Query Language. Let's check these commands in detail. Data Definition Language is used for defining and modifying database schema structure. For example, Create Table command, which creates a table in the database. Alter Table command, which can be used to add or remove columns, or change data type of column in the table. Another example is Drop Table, which deletes the entire table from the database. Truncate is also an example of DDL, which empties the table. Data Manipulation Language is used to modify data inside the database. DML commands are Insert, bulk insert, which adds new records. Update, which can be used to modify existing data. Delete, which is used to delete specific records. Third is Data Control Language, which is used to control user access to the database. For example, if you want to restrict the database access with specific permissions, DCL can be used. Commands like grant is used to give access, and revoke can be used to remove access of specific object for users in the database. Next is Transaction Control Language. It is used to manage database transactions. For example, if you execute any DML statement like insert row, you will have to execute TCL command commit to complete your transaction of inserting rows. Then only inserted data will be available in the database. Or rollback can be used to revert your insert statement. Note: rollback can be used before commit only. And last one is Data Query Language, which is used to retrieve data from the database. Select command is used to retrieve data from the database. Let's conclude. DDL modifies database structure. DML modifies data. DCL manages user permissions. TCL handles transactions. DQL retrieves data. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.